Ayan guys, this is our last day here in Prague. Thank you Lord for the wonderful vacation in Europe. We had so much fun. And this is our last day. We're waiting for our Uber. Ayan. So, ito yung aming hotel. Yan ang tinirhan namin. So, yung mga katabi niya is spa. Yan. Hairstyle. And there's some Korean restaurant, bubble tea, the massage of, and this is the front of the condo. Yeah. So yeah, no commercial. Sunday today, so there's no any other much people. Yeah. So we're waiting for our Uber, and it's not here yet, and on the way to the airport. So in front of our hotel there is electric buses here, so we don't need to walk far. Ang aming Uber habang bus. So yan ang luggages namin. Yan. Mga anak ko yan. Puro cellphone. Ayan ang bus. Wala pa yung Uber natin. Safe. Ayun no. Tinawag. Ayun Uber.